sa atin at nag-around 5 years, Steve, doon tibay, Tanway. Gerald Anderson on your screen says, Marikina. Bago yung kay Hipayan. Hipayan, naka sa kanyang tira, that's rebound para kay Ronald Roy. Para ni Banyas. Ronald Roy na. Also Gerald Anderson. Napatay ni Paolo Ubalde. Anderson. Use that leg. Steal by Arambulo. Arambulo will go all the way for the 2 points. Brandon Arambulo, sa mga biggest fans yan, Gian Alianes. Watching right now. Boy, good luck, Gia. Malapit na yung pageant ni Gia.
Ako yata magiging escort na. But I told her wag, baka busy.
Dito kami susuporta sa'yo all the time. Bumalik ka sa MPBL, makarinig na bumalik ka. Marin Ibanez, nabantin mo.
I noticed when the Gonzalez brothers hit the three, it opens up the defense of their opponents and they win games. Dito naman maintain offensive chemistry. Yeah, chemistry yan. Anyway, because yung paglalaro nila, pero sa Marikina naman, stay aggressive. They are first right now in offensive rebounding, continue to attack the boards, and they play top defense. Second unit must step up. Yun, medyo mahina sila doon. They're actually 19 with 29.1 points now coming from the guys on the bench.
Erwin Santa Maria will come off the bench here. Anderson for 3, no good. Hipayan grabs the rebound. So there's some firepower off the bench.
Yung scheduling natin talaga na-injure ng mga players.
Oh, as Roy misses the 3. Oh, Nang Sang just plucked that ball out of Hipayan's path.
Oo nga, over the back side before ng sun, not being able to capitalize on that.
Gerald Anderson. Alam mo,
While they're making that pass to Stevie, very unselfish. Kaya nga ito nga team na the second sa assist, unselfish.
Nato Ular. Ang kanyang pasa, natapik ni Paolo Ubalde there. So, namatay ni Anderson. Gets the switch now. There's a double team. Ruwaya. Ruwaya inside. No good. That's Ubalde against Anderson. Ubalde taken away by Anderson. And that is a foul on Gerald Anderson. Ang pangalawa na yan para kay Gerald Anderson.
That was a great effort
Pero
there.
titignan mo, Gerald Anderson has been very focused on how to take that ball away from the Paolo Ubalde.
Well, this guy is an aggressive defender, and that's what we like. Every time I covered his games, he amazes me with his effort, what he puts out. He's a tough defender. I wouldn't want to go up against him. Sadly,
It's a great defensive effort galing kay Anderson. Siya yung nakapik doon. Gonzalez to RJ Dennis. Hipayan making it difficult para sa kanya. Anderson, the floater, no good. Cabrera with the basket.
so much respect that Pisason. Wow.
Kid, Gerald Anderson doing a fantastic job on the defensive end.
That smart basketball was one of the missing cards with Champions. What Gerald Anderson did was go over the man. It's just it's like boxing out. There you go, going over the man, getting that push from Carlos and Chavez.
Gerald Anderson. He knows what to do. He knows what Sazon, relay to the basket. Wala ang kanyang tira. Mabigat. Moves it to Anderson. Perez, back to Anderson. Miscaliado, that's a 3. Malakas ang kanyang tira. Mabigat. Taps it to try to answer. Kasi sa ilalim kay Dedicatoria. Ball slipping out of his hands. Great defense by Miscaliado. Warren Ibanez with a getaway.
Suddenly, bumukas ang pagka-rotate ng mga tao. Keeping the energy alive every single time. I guess, pinaghandaan nila, natatakbuhan nila itong Valenzuela. They see something weak sa speed ng Valenzuela, so they're gonna take advantage.
Anderson, bothered by Cabrera. 15 seconds of shot clock. Releases to Dennis. Back to Anderson. Fake. Finds the baseline block. Nandun Maria with a jumper, no good. Asidre all the way to Cabrera for the Dukes. Enter the ballgame para kay Coach Chris Gavina. Gerald Anderson, tatapik ni Ubalde ang bola. Arellano. Cross-court pass to Anderson. Anderson, off-balance shot. There's a foul. A holding foul at that. So Jared ng Sam. Ayan. Power dribble para kay Payan. No good. Payan lost the handle. Anderson also lost the handle. Na kay Royal backs it in. Sabang ulit ang Marikina. Paulo Ubalde to Himpayan. Himpayan, there's a battle inside and Himpayan, Asidre, bigay kay Arambulo, back to Asidre, to Arambulo. As we go over to Karian.
Leia built his confidence.
Delis gives it up to Anderson. Binabantayan ni Arambulo si Anderson. Now with Roy. Mendoza to Mescaliado. Back to Roy. Against Asidre. Aatras si Ronald Roy. Pulls up. That's a long one. Galing kay
Silence dito sa crowd.
42 all. Then Chavez will try again. No good. Tibay ng loob. Tibay Tadway. Oh, it's a poor pass galing kay Arambulo, taken away by RJ Dennis. Sazon, binalik na. Sazon, trigger, happy, pasok yan! 5-42, lamang ang Shoemasters. Ubalde, gets Mescaliado. Ubalde goes right. Ubalde, almost stripped by Anderson, but that's a foul on Gerald.
He wanted to reach in and got the arm of Paulo Ubalde. Move your feet, Gerald Anderson, because your effort is great enough. Kulang na lang. Move your feet a bit more.
And he gets instructions from
Epitome of Oktoberfest. Kita mo naman, celebration galore para sa lahat ng dumating dito. Sulit ang pagpunta ng mga fans ng Valenzuela. Drought na sila dito. And they have the longest losing streak.
Bounce for him. Mel Mabigat with the inbound. Binigay kay Guido Cabrera. Arambulo on the move. Ryan Arambulo!